YouTube, it's your girl Taylor Dion, and I'm back with another video. And before we get into this video, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and share to friend, share to friend, share to friend. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share to friend, subscribe, share to friend, subscribe, share to friend. Yeah, okay, anyway, so today's video is going to be packing with me to get ready to go to college. I leave in 7 days. I leave next. Today's Friday, the 21st, I think. The 22nd. Today is Friday the 22nd, and I leave on the 29th, next Friday. So I literally cannot wait. And let me show you the mess that I started, and let me show you my mess. This is all just clothes. I got lotions and just randomness on my. It's a mess. It's a mess. It's a mess. So yeah, first I'm gonna start by, I got loads of laundry. I packed my purses, and most of my purses. Now I'm gonna pack my shorts, and then so I have pants, shirts, and then I'm gonna have one for like sweatshirts and long sleeves and stuff like that. But here's literally all shirts, what's it called, matching sets, everything, like just yeah, anything that goes on my top. Yeah, so I'm gonna do this in a time lapse. We're gonna get started with this video. Okay, so now I got the two long bins out, as y'all can see in my lab coat, but I got the two long bins out. That's where I'm packing everything else. So let's get right into that. Okay, so fast forward a couple hours, I went to play soccer with my family, but I basically stopped exactly where I told y'all with the clothes. So what I did was I have all the clothes filled up except for what I'm taking. I have all the clothes except for what's in the dryer. I have my winter clothes packed up just so they can send it to me and I can send the box back. I got all of that packed. So anyway, but now I'm about to watch some videos. Don't mind the fact that my bed looks a hot mess. But I'm about to watch some videos on YouTube for like how she set my dorm. Watch some videos, and I'm gonna take some notes so I can see like what I want to pack and where I'm putting it, so that way I can see how much room I got for storage and all that, if that makes sense.
A lot of bins and stuff down there, and
Okay, don't mind me, my hair looks messed. We all know that. But so now I'm about to get these two. These two things. I'm about to get these two, and I'm about to pack my fun stuff all in one bin, and everything that I consider fun, if it can't fit, it can't go. So that's how we're doing that. Because yeah, that's what it's actually gonna be stored in when I get to school. And also, y'all, before we jump into this whole time warps or whatever, y'all, I'm about to get into the shoes, and it's about to be so depressing because all of my sandals and stuff like that are in my trip, like my favorites, not all of them, are, in Paris with my lost luggage. But okay, let me get all this down. Okay, y'all, so I am done packing. As y'all can see, it looks like a lot of stuff. And low-key, it is a lot of stuff, but at the same time, it's not. This is just purses, workout stuff. These 3 bins right here, just fun stuff that's going to go in here. Like, so all 3 of these are going in this basket with them games and the books. The paint stuff is going to stay out, but the games and the book is going in there. What's in there is books, games, and some desk things that are going on top of my desk. And then this stuff, all of this is going to be snacks, but what's in there is towels, lotions, and more desk stuff. Desk stuff is obviously going in the desk, and I have a place for my lotions and all of that. And then the extra towels with a few extra like soccer stuff is going in a bin, like soccer shirts and sheets and stuff like that is going in a bin. Then we got my cleaning supplies, my medicines, and my laundry supplies all going in a bin. And I could probably fit some more stuff in there. And then this is going to be my shoes, and my shoes are really in there. This is all 3 clothes right now, though. So this is going to fold down because nothing's going in there. So this is going to fold down. These 2 are going to go away, and these 2 are going to go away because I got a pink cart that's vertically standing up. And that's going to be all my hair stuff, and yeah. So it's really, and then this is all of my cords and electronics and desk stuff and even more stuff like that. Hey YouTube, so I just got on campus and I'm already hating the school. Like, it is so unorganized. Like, truly unorganized. They told me come a week early. They told me come the first week of August for soccer. The first week of August technically counts as this week. Why would I come on a Monday or a Tuesday? Make that make sense? Or moving day is technically Thursday. So they try to charge me $25 a day until August 4th. Or if I forward them that email, because the soccer coaches didn't tell them that they were having our players move in early. Like, what? So because the soccer coaches didn't tell them, they're going to try to pay me. But if I send them that email and it's there for my proof, then they're going to be like, oh, okay, but it's still not August. Like, this is the first week of August, which would be August 4th. No, the first week of August can technically count as August 1st. And I said, well, that's tomorrow. He said, yeah. And I was like, so you mean to tell me you're going to charge me for it because I came in on the weekend instead of Monday or Tuesday? Or even Sunday? Like, what? Make it make sense. Like, I really hate this. Well, I'm tired of it. I'm sick of it. Because you're not going to charge me for moving in a couple days early. I get if I was like a week early. But a couple days, you're tripping. Like, if I'm about to ask, can I just move my shit in? And I'll stay somewhere else. I'll stay in the hotel. Because you're not going to charge me. I'm really about to ask that. Because that is so stupid. But I got a blue bin. I never secure a blue bin. But I got a blue bin. And my parents already stuck stuff because they impatient. So all the stuff is my keys. Also, I drove here. Okay, but anyway, I don't know. Oh yeah, I just got them 2 things and I got my whole car. My car is full. I'm talking about shoes, all my little small bins, all that. But it's all gonna fit in this one trip and then I'm gonna give it to a lady. Also, y'all. Okay, so y'all will get a room tour very soon, but not yet. But I'm gonna show you what I'm doing right now. So right now, I am unpacking. I moved in. I was gonna show y'all, but then I was like, wait, y'all gonna get a room tour. But I'm just trying to, I'm unpacking my clothes. This year we got 4 drawers instead of 2. So that's lit, except only thing, that light back there don't work. And I didn't flip that switch because I didn't see this light. So I didn't put it on my needs to be fixed thing. When I filled out the form, I put everything was good. Everything is not good. But yeah. disregard all the noise of how I look. I'm doing laundry right now. It's 2 a.m. and I'm editing this video, and I realized that I didn't make an outro. But yeah, I'm all moved in. A room tour coming soon. Stay on the lookout for some new videos. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share with a friend. And thank you for watching. Yeah, I know it was kind of like very fast, short, but you get the gist.